first famous cuisine from the Philippines is lechon. I know you've heard lechon, right? No? You haven't tried it before? Alright, so they will discuss to us what's lechon and how it tastes like. Okay. Who's gonna talk about lechon?
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
So I will now discuss the one of the most famous foods here in the Philippines, which is the lechon. Lechon is a Filipino dish featuring a whole pig roasted over charcoal, known for its crispy, golden brown skin and tender. Juicy meat, often served during celebrations and special occasions. Here is a more detailed description or the preparation for the lechon. Lechon is made by roasting a whole pig, or sometimes just a portion like the belly, over an open fire or charcoal grill. The pig is typically seasoned with a mix of herbs and spices, including lemongrass, garlic, onions, and other local seasonings, which infuse the meat with a rich and aromatic taste. The finished lechon boasts a crispy, golden brown skin and tender, juicy meat. For the cultural significance, lechon is a popular dish for celebrations, special occasions, symbolizing prosperity and abundance, and is a staple at Filipino feasts and parties.
Okay, the next one is the famous sinigang.
So
Sinigang.
at this juncture, I would like to tackle the sinigang. So sinigang is a popular Filipino soup characterized by its sour and savory taste, made with a tamarind-based broth and typically featuring meat or seafood along with vegetables. So the flavor profile of this popular Filipino soup is known for its distinct sourness, which comes from the tamarind used in the broth, balanced by a savory base. So the key ingredients of this soup is the broth is made up of tamarind base and often using fresh tamarind or tamarind paste. And the protein is our pork, beef, chicken, shrimp, or fish. And the vegetables like tomatoes, onions, eggplant, okra, and long beans are frequently included in this soup.
Alright, thank you, Joseph, for sharing.